I'm meteorologist Chris Holcomb from the 11 Alive Storm Trackers. Most of us stay dry out there today as expected. We've only had a few isolated showers popping up. All of us have been hot. Our high in Atlanta was 88 degrees. That's 3 degrees above the average. Let me show you what we're watching on radar right now. And there's not a lot of action showing up here. And we really weren't expecting to see much. Just a couple of isolated showers around. These are mainly south and east of the city. You can see right along I-20 near Lake Oconee. We had just a couple of showers that popped up earlier. Also in the northern parts of Putnam County, north of Eatonton into Jasper County. This one's about to move over the Newton County line. We also have been watching a couple of showers that popped up near the Thomaston area. A few more near Macon, but those are all falling apart as well. So not much going on here, but I want you to notice this. We have this band of rain right here that's getting closer to Birmingham, and this is in association with the remnants of Gordon. You can see this counterclockwise flow right here. That's the area of low pressure. This has some bands with some heavy rain and thunderstorms with it. In fact, one of these prompted a tornado warning earlier just north of Jackson in Mississippi. A few more of these showers back in Alabama, but these are going to stay there. You can see this counterclockwise flow right here. Let me do that again for you really quick. There's the counterclockwise flow that we see right here. And so that's keeping these storms rotating around that. We have an easterly flow here that is giving us just some Atlantic moisture with just a chance for a few of those spotty isolated showers that we have in our area. So let's take a look out there right now. There are some clouds. I know that it would look threatening at times with the cloud cover that we have, and every once in a while maybe just a couple of drops filter out of that. But as we're looking north toward Buckhead, you see a few clouds and sunshine breaking through, and this is our look in Gwinnett County. A few holes in those clouds too to let some sunshine come through, but those clouds are not producing any rain. Let me take you out to the tropics right now because, folks, let me show you, it is getting very active with a statistical peak of hurricane season coming up on September 10th. Things are getting active. Here's Florence. I'll show you more about that in just a second. A couple of waves coming off the coast of Africa that could become Helene and Isaac a little later, so we'll keep an eye on those. But check out Florence right here. This is now a Category 4 storm out in the middle of the Atlantic. I know we've been watching this thing for days, and we'll continue to watch this storm for days. This is just going to meander here across the Atlantic. Now, at first, when we saw this developing, a lot of the models were showing it curving out and staying away, but now there's a high pressure to the north, and we'll keep an eye on the mid-Atlantic region to see if this is going to have any impact on them, but that wouldn't be until the end of next week. So here's a look at temperatures around North Georgia. 86 now. It's 92, though, in Athens, 90 in Eatonton. We're going to see more of this warm air staying above average, where we should be at 85 this time of year. We'll be at 88 Thursday, 89 Friday and Saturday with a 20% chance for a shower. And then those rain chances go up Sunday and Monday to 40%, and then 30% chances Tuesday and Wednesday, with those temperatures generally in the mid to upper 80s.